How to check your graphic card in Windows 11.
Let's get started. So let's check your graphic card using the dxdiag diagnostic tool. Hold the Windows key and press R to open the Run dialog. And then inside here, simply type in dxdiag and then press Enter. Now the dxdiag diagnostic tool will open, just like that. Here you can see details about your computer's hardware, including your CPU, RAM, BIOS, and graphic card. To see your graphic card details, all you have to do is simply click on Display, and just like that, here you will be able to find your information about your graphic card, including the name, manufacturer, and video memory size. Now, the second method is through the taskbar. Simply right-click on this button, then press Task Manager. Inside here, you need to go and simply press on the Performance tab, and just like that, click on GPU. And that's it. This is your main graphic card. Now you can see details about your GPU. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.